What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 3, episode 3. I don't even know anymore. Anyways, working on the BMW E46. You can see we have a mess all over the place. So what would be nice is to get this car down and running, or at least turned on, so we can move it. Today we are doing a lot of coolant related things. As you can maybe see over here, we have the belt off. So now that we have also the radiator off, which we found to be broken as well. So as you can see, all the coolant leaks and staining on the side, on each side. I don't know if you can see it on this side, but anyways, we have a new radiator bracket, new water pump, new thermostat, anything you can name it, I'll have it, and it's gonna get replaced. So now that we have plenty of room to work with, that is what I'm gonna tackle with the water pump and pulley and all that good stuff. So there's nothing left but to get started, and hopefully within this video we can not only put the water pump, not only can we finish the coolant side of this car, but we can actually start putting some of the stuff back together, as like the alternator and the manifold, maybe, hopefully, and then be able to connect all the coolant lines as well. So hopefully we can get a lot of stuff done within the next few days with this build, and we'll go from there. Until then, enjoy the video. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I have the mic here, but I also have music playing through my laptop to help me work a little bit faster. But we're going to start with all these components, I guess you can call. Let me go ahead and show you guys everything that we got that we're going to replace. Here we have is water pump. We also got a, I forgot what this was called. I believe this is a thermostat. A brand new expansion tank. Also have the radiator and whatnot back here. I'll show you guys later when we get to that point. But let's go ahead and get ready. Let's go ahead and take off this water pump, and yeah, hopefully no coolant comes out because we did drain most of it, and hopefully it's pretty bone dry. But let's find out. Okay, I hope you guys have a pretty good view, but this is the general area that I'll be working in. So let's go ahead and get this started. Let's go ahead and replace the thermostat first. Maybe 13 millimeter. There she is. Gasket's not too hard. It doesn't look that bad, actually. New thermostat's here. Let's go ahead and clean our old surface. Looks like it has some gasket in there. Go ahead and rid of all this gasket. Alright, I just cleaned all the surface. So it should be good. Lickety split. Pretty much flat. Let's go ahead and put the new thermostat. There really should not be any type of sealant. Alright, I don't think I bought any new. We will torque that later, as long as it's firmly in there. Okay, what's next? Looks like we have a water pump. Ooh, let me show you actually. Here's the new pulley that we will be putting on. I'm gonna take this stupid sticker off. Release it. Oh, it's boogered on there. Okay. So there's the old one. So I'm going to replace this anyways because it's out. And I was like, why not order a new one? So here is our water pump. Very gunked up. I believe these are also 10 millimeters maybe. But let's find out. Yep, 10 millimeters. Perfect. I don't know if you guys can see this, but slowly threading these in. Will help push the water pump out. And that should be enough space to wiggle this. Oh, yep, there's our mess. Definitely still a lot of coolant. Woo! Okay, let's go ahead and plop in this new water pump. And this only really goes in one way, so it's very hard to mess up, which is nice. Oh, it's been a real struggle to get this in, but just trying to get this gasket to get over it. So at this point in the video, all the coolant side of everything has been done. All the hoses, new radiator has been put in, and as well as new coolant is in the system. And somehow I've lost all that footage, so I can't really show you guys the rest of that part. But now we are finally filling up the car with oil, as we just replaced the oil pan gasket and oil pan. So we're just switching out the filter to hopefully get this first clean startup of the E46 after a long time of sitting.
Everything sounds good. I just want to make sure the power steering.
Hey man, you scared me there.
I know. I kind of thought about that when I did that, but
That would have been worse.
we got a power steering leak.
No!
Yeah. The bottom line.
After literally a full day of working on the car, let me go ahead and show you guys where we're at. Go ahead and pop this for you. You can see, finally looks like a real car. Everything's back together. Just dirty, nothing too bad. But coming over here with this thing is leaking power steering fluid right there in the middle where that gray line is. That is a nick. The price, $100 each. So what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna go to the junkyard tomorrow with my buddy and hopefully find this in a car, not broken, damaged, or bent, and yeah, swap her in here, because this car, you guys could tell in the video, was running perfectly good. Only problem was leaking a bit of power steering, but that is it. Oil's good, coolant's good, no leaks, ran a little bit rough. That's because we don't have the air box. I am also missing this little coupling that goes in here, which helps it connect to this other turkey, or whatever you want to call this other intake. Otherwise, there's nothing really to hold it in place, but that's how it goes. Then the air box, then some other random trim pieces. But other than that, the main parts are on. And this car will be running and driving, hopefully, by tomorrow with those two pieces. But after that, should be good. Till then, catch y'all later.
The next morning.
Alright guys, what's going on? Quick little update. I know the last clip was a little weird. It didn't have any audio because I just time-lapsed it. Anyways, we changed out that power steering hard line. And yeah, we ended up getting it from the junkyard from a car. And it's perfect. So we swapped that out and now she runs perfectly fine. But for whatever reason, I decided not to record it, or I just completely forgot. But anyways, that's the end of the video. I know it's like a weird ending, but yeah, the car is amazing now. So she's perfect. So like I said, stay tuned guys, because we will be showing you guys a big road trip in this car. So hopefully nothing else breaks, but you know, a Beamer's a Beamer, so we'll see. Until then, catch you guys in the next video.